Welcome to Crypto Hustle for Students. Our website is jobsonlinestudents.com. Take your first step toward financial freedom. Are you ready to start your journey toward earning online and mastering crypto trading? Don't wait. Take action today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobs Online Students. If you've been thinking about investing in Ethereum or Ripple, but aren't sure how to start or maximize profits, this video is just for you. Let's talk strategy. Ethereum, or ETH, is more than a cryptocurrency. It powers decentralized apps, smart contracts, and the entire DeFi and NFT ecosystem. It's the second largest crypto for a reason. Ripple, or XRP, is built for fast, low-cost cross-border payments. It's used by banks and payment providers globally. That's why many see it as a strong utility-based asset. So how do you invest smartly in ETH or XRP? 1. Start small and scale up. Don't go all in. Begin with what you can afford to lose and grow from there. 2. Use dollar cost averaging. Buy consistently over time, no matter the price. It smooths out volatility and helps avoid buying at market peaks. 3. Set stop loss and take profit targets. This protects your gains and limits your losses, especially in a volatile market. 4. Stake ETH or use earn tools. Platforms like OKX let you earn passive income on your holdings while you wait for long-term growth. Looking for a beginner-friendly exchange? Try OKX. It offers zero deposit fees with P2P options and great tools for students and new traders. And don't forget, if you're serious about learning crypto the smart way, check out our full guide on jobsonlinestudents.com. Links in the description. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.